Have you ever wondered about the potential of mining in space? Imagine a world where our resource needs are met not only from our home planet, but from the vast expanse of the universe. This is not science fiction, but a very real possibility we are exploring today. This is the exciting world of space mining. Our journey begins amidst the asteroid belt, a treasure trove of minerals and resources. Picture advanced robotic drones tirelessly navigating this celestial minefield, extracting an abundance of precious metals and rare minerals. Even water ice, a potential fuel source, is found in these asteroids, making them invaluable for future space missions. But it's not just asteroids that hold these celestial riches. The Moon, our nearest celestial neighbor, is a veritable gold mine. It contains an abundance of helium-3, a potential fuel source for future fusion reactors. This clean and sustainable energy source could revolutionize the way we generate power back on Earth. The benefits of space mining extend beyond the cosmos. Our home planet stands to gain immensely from this endeavor. Reduced environmental impact from terrestrial mining, access to rare minerals critical for technological advancements, and a sustainable source of energy. These are but a few potential benefits. Of course, this cosmic journey is not without its challenges. The harsh and unpredictable environment of space, the vast distances to be traveled, and the ethical implications of mining celestial bodies are all hurdles to be overcome. But fear not, innovative solutions are being developed every day to ensure that our exploration of space is both sustainable and responsible. To sum up, space mining presents an exciting frontier for exploration and resource extraction. It holds the promise of abundant resources, sustainable energy, and reduced environmental impact. It also poses significant challenges that need to be addressed, but with innovative solutions and responsible practices, these challenges can be overcome. So, as we look to the stars, let us dream of a future where we not only explore the cosmos, but also harness its abundant resources. A future where space mining is not just a possibility, but a reality. A future where we truly become a spacefaring civilization, reaping the celestial riches of the universe. This is the exciting world of space mining.